Download Visual Studio Code just in 1 minute. Go to Google search and write download Visual Studio Code. Enter the first link. Now, this page will be open. You have 3 choices: Windows or Linux or Mac. Okay, come with me, right click on my computer, properties, and you will see what you have, 64-bit or 32-bit. Click according what you have to install. But what are these? Okay, let me tell you. Here you have top extensions, you can install it. Now go to download folder and double click on the Visual Studio Code. I accept. Next, choose what you want from these. Click on install and we'll start install the program. Okay, it's done. That's cool. Now you can practice code with me.